Greetings, welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 49, and topic for today is learning from people you meet. We all learn from people, but I believe there is a way where we can learn better and more from people we meet. So last 1 week I'm traveling across few countries for various conferences and I meet a lot of people, and these are the 3 tips I want to share with you which will help us to learn better from people we meet. Tip number 1 is the mindset of having that you can learn from anyone. What do I mean by anyone? I met 2 people who are close to 50 years of age, having a varied experience, and I met another friend who is 3 years younger to me, and I met a salesperson who is just 22 years old, and there is a lot of learning I got from each of them, from their own profession, from their own experience. These lessons are very valuable to me to navigate business in this part of the region and the country. Okay, so age doesn't matter, what kind of experience doesn't matter. Point number 1, you can learn from anyone. Point number 2, nobody is going to come and teach you something unless you ask for it. So we have to ask questions, right, relevant questions with an intent to listen and learn. So before meeting some people, knowing their background, we should ask right question with an intent to learn, and we should actively listen so that they are happy to share. That is point number 2. And point number 3, acknowledge and share. Acknowledge them that you learn something from them. Thank them for that, show that gratitude. And if you meet some other people, share the learning with the other person. For example, you meet a person A and you learn something, and when you meet a person B the same day or the next day, you can share what you learned from some other meeting you got. So in this way, you are also giving something to them. So to summarize, my friends, you can learn from anyone irrespective of their age. You have to ask questions with an intent to listen and learn. And third thing is acknowledge and share. These are the 3 tips I want to share with you in this week's Monday Morning Motivation. Happy Diwali to everyone, and see you soon by next week.